name of the topic is if else statement in C programming, right? So first one, in last topic we learned about what are conditional statements in C programming. So what we will do, we will revise it again. आपण एकदा परत रिव्हिजन करून घेऊया. ओके ओके. सो मी स्क्रीन शेअर करतोय, मला सांगा. ओके, लेट मी नो इफ इट इज विजिबल ऑर नॉट. ओके, इज इट विजिबल?
हो सर.
इज इट विजिबल टू ऑल?
लोड होतंय सर.
लोड होत आहे, राईट. ओके ओके. ओके, इज इट विजिबल टू यू नाव?
हो दिसतीये सर स्क्रीन.
ओके, स्क्रीन दिसतीये. ओके, so let's start with the topic, which is nothing but conditional statements in C programming. Okay, so let's start. So what we are going to learn in today's topic? So we are going to learn about what is conditional statement in C programming. Okay, so our today's lecture is all about conditional statements in C programming. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is conditional statement in C? So the definition is in front of you. A conditional statement in C programming is used to make decisions based on certain condition. So last lecture मध्ये आपण शिकलेलो, काय शिकलेलो? वोटिंग सिस्टमचं शिकलेलो. इफ एज इज ग्रेटर देन 18 देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर वोटिंग, ही एक कंडिशन होती, राईट? So conditional statements are nothing but we are applying conditions on the statements. If the condition is true, then the given statement will be executed. If the given condition is false, the given statement will not be executed. Okay, so definition तुमच्या समोर आहे. A conditional statement in C programming is used to make decisions based on certain conditions. It allows the program to execute a block of code. So what do you mean by block of code? So block of code is basically the curly braces inside which we write the code, right? आपण integer main function यूज केलता. integer main function ला कर्ली ब्रेसेस होते आणि त्याच्यात आपण काय करत होतो? कोड लिहित होतो. ओके, समजतंय का सगळ्यांना? का मी फास्ट चाललोय?
नाही सर, समजतंय.
क्लिअर आहे ना?
हो सर.
ओके, सो इफ द कंडिशन इज फॉल्स, जर कंडिशन फॉल्स असेल तर प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट होणार दुसऱ्या ब्लॉकचा. ओके, so we are going to learn about it more deeply right now. So there are several types of conditional statements in C programming. So first one is what? First one is if statement. Second one is if else statement. Third one is if else ladder, also known as else if ladder. Fourth one is nested if statement, and fifth one is switch statement. So these are the how many statements? These are the 5 statements we are going to learn in C programming, which is known as a conditional statement. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is if statement. So you know the procedure, right? आपला study sequence काय होता? First one is definition, second one is syntax, and third one is example. आठवत आहे ना? आठवते का सगळ्यांना? सगळे असे शांत का बसलेत?
हो सर.
ओके,
हो आठवत.
yes. So let's start with the first one, if statement. So if statementचा definition काय आहे बघा? The if statement is the simplest form of conditional statement. Okay, it checks a condition, and if the condition is true, the block of code associated with the if statement is executed. म्हणजे काय झालं अर्थ याचा? If the given condition is true, the code will be executed. If the given condition is false, the code will not be executed. Okay, So syntax is in front of you. If condition followed by curly parenthesis and code to be executed if the condition is true. So condition मध्ये काय येणार आहे आपलं? My question is, what will come inside the condition? Saraswati, what it will come? कंडिशन मध्ये आपलं काय येणार आहे? कालच्या लेक्चर मध्ये झालं.
एज ना सर.
ओके, सो बेसिकली एज नाही, तिकडं काय येणार आहे? रिलेशनल ऑपरेटरचा यूज होणार आहे.
हा, ग्रेटर दॅन.
येस, ग्रेटर देन पण
Less
नाही. रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्स किती आहेत? हाऊ मेनी सिम्बल्स आर देअर? ग्रेटर देन, लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू, लेस देन इक्वल टू, नॉट इक्वल टू अँड डबल इक्वल टू. राईट? सो रिलेशनल ऑपरेटर्सचा काय यूज होता? टू चेक द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द टू
टू
व्हेरिएबल्स
व्हेरिएबल.
and check whether it is true or false, right? So inside the condition there will be use of relational operators. If the given condition is true, the if code will be executed, right? जर तुमचा condition true असला, then what will happen? Then the code will be executed if the if statement is true. आणि जर कंडिशन फॉल्स असली तर काय होईल? व्हॉट विल हॅपन इफ द कंडिशन इज फॉल्स? हॅलो वैभव, प्रसाद, दोघं व्हिडिओ ऑन करून बसलेत का नाही? टर्न ऑन द कॅमेराज. ओके, मला पण कळायला पाहिजे ना तुम्ही ऑन आहे का नाही. ठीक आहे. सो वैभव, सिंटॅक्स काय? इफ कंडिशन कोड टू बी एक्झिक्युटेड, राईट? जर कंडिशन ट्रू असली तर कोड एक्झिक्यूट होणार आहे का नाही?
होणार ना.
आणि जर कंडिशन फॉल्स असली तर काय होणार?
एक्झिक्यूट नाही होणार.
इफ स्टेटमेंट विल नॉट बी एक्झिक्युटेड इफ द कंडिशन इज फॉल्स. जर कंडिशन फॉल्स असली तर कोड एक्झिक्यूट होईल का?
नाही.
नाही, राईट? डन. सो दिस इज द सिंटॅक्स. इफ कंडिशन दिसतंय ना सिंटॅक्स सगळ्यांना? अश्विनी, एम आय विजिबल? दिसतंय का? Ashwini, you are mute. Saraswati, your mic is on. Ashwini, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding what we are learning right now about if statement? Ashwini, turn on the mic.
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding the topic right now we are learning?
Yes, sir.
Really? Or you are getting a little stuck about it?
No, no.
No, na?
नहीं, पहले भी हो चुका है.
Okay. Already completed, right? In the college. Okay. No issues. So this is the syntax of the if condition and the definition of the if statement. The if statement is the simplest form of a conditional statement. It checks a condition, and if the condition is true, the block of code associated with the if statement is executed. If the condition is false, the program skips the block. So let's move on to the example. So example is in front of you. Everyone is getting the full screen. Full screen दिसतंय का?
हो सर.
Okay. So example is in front of you. So what is the example? We have declared a variable name number which is consisting of value 10 inside it. बरोबर? We have created a variable name number inside which 10 value is stored. What is the condition? If number is greater than 0, what is the condition? Number greater than 0. If number is greater than 0, the number is positive, right? If the condition is true, then the code will be executed. So right now, number variable is assigned with the 10 value. If number is greater than 0, so 10 is greater than 0. Answer is true or false? Answer is true or false? What is the answer right now? Answer काय आहे? Saraswati, what is the answer? Number is greater than 0. True or false?
False.
कसं काय?
True. Sorry.
Yes.
Greater than. Sorry.
Greater than, right? So number is
Yes.
greater than 0. So 10 is greater than 0. Answer is true. So what it will execute? It will execute the code within the if block. If blockच्या आत जे पण काय कोड आहे ते एक्झिक्यूट होणार आहे. So what is the code? The number is positive, right? If the condition is true, then the if block is executed. So what is the output here? What is the output?
The number is positive.
The number is positive is the output of the given program. आता हे आउटपुट कधी डिस्प्ले होतं? When the if condition is true. जेव्हा if condition true असेल तेव्हा हे कोड एक्झिक्यूट होतं. लेट्स से इफ द कंडिशन इज फॉल्स. जर कंडिशन फॉल्स असलं तर आउटपुट काय येईल? आता या कोडकडे बघितल्यावर काय आउटपुट येईल फॉल्स आल्यावर? वैभव काय येईल आउटपुट इफ द कंडिशन इज फॉल्स? जर कंडिशन फॉल्स असली तर आउटपुट वरती काय डिस्प्ले होईल?
एरर येऊ शकतो.
ओके, एरर येईल. अजून काय येईल? सरस्वती, व्हॉट विल बी द आउटपुट?
आपल्याला सर प्रिंटफ ची स्टेटमेंट चेंज करावी लागेल बहुतेक.
ओके, अश्विनी, व्हॉट विल बी द आउटपुट इफ द कंडिशन इज फॉल्स?
ब्लँक रहेगा सर.
Yes. So answer is blank. Good one, Ashwini. So the output will be blank because if condition is false, if condition है false है, right? If condition is false, then after the condition gets false, it will get towards the further code. It will get towards the further code. So is there any code after if statement? if statement नंतर कोड आहे का? नाही. So code is not there. That's why the output will be blank. And if the condition is true, it will display the number is positive. Clear? समजलं का सगळ्यांना?
हो.
का फास्ट चाललोय? सरस्वती,
हो सर.
नक्की 100%?
येस.
Okay, so next one is if else statement. So let's start with if else statement right now. So if the condition is true, if block is executed. If the condition is false, else block is executed. So the if else statement is used if the condition is true, if block will be executed, and if condition is false, the else block will be executed. So what will happen right now? So the if else statement allows for two blocks of code. How many blocks are there in if else statement? there are two blocks of code in the given if else statement. One that executes if the condition is true and one that executes if the condition is false. ह्याचा अर्थ काय झाला? What do you mean by it? Ashwini, what is the meaning of it?
अगर इसका तो if वाला एग्जीक्यूट होगा, अगर false रहेगा तो else वाला कितना भी।
ओके, अगर ट्रू होगा तो इफ का एग्जीक्यूट होगा एंड अगर फॉल्स रहेगा तो एल्स का एग्जीक्यूट होता, राइट? समझ में आया सबको? सरस्वती, वैभव, अंडरस्टूड? समजलं का दोघांना? ओके, एव्हरीवन इज रायटिंग. ओके, वेट अ मिनिट. दोघं ऐका. वैभवी, सरस्वती, अश्विनी, लिसन टू मी राईट नाव. डोंट राईट दीज नोट्स राईट नाव. नोट्स लिहू नका, फक्त ऐकून घ्या. आय विल शेअर दीज नोट्स. डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. समजते का? येस. Okay. Running notes. You are talking about running notes, right? ओके. सो हे बघा, आता कसं असतंय, फक्त लक्ष द्या, ही नोट्स प्रोव्हाइड होणार आहेत. समजून घ्या आता काय शिकवतोय. आफ्टरवर्ड्स राईट द नोट्स. आय एम गोइंग टू प्रोव्हाइड दिस पीपीटी टू यू, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट ॲट ऑल. Just listen to what I am saying right now and understand it. I will share the PPT towards you. Okay? ठीक है. So syntax is in front of you. So what is the syntax? If condition is true, then code to be executed if the condition is true. Else code to be executed if the condition is false. So as Ashwini told right now, if the condition is true, if block is executed, and if condition is false, else block is executed. Got it? सगळ्यांना समजलंय का? समजलं? Okay. So this is the example of the if else statement in front of you. So what is the code? Number is the variable created in which -5 value is stored. If number is greater than 0, the number is positive, else the number is negative. So what is the value of the variable? Value of the variable is -5. And what is the condition? If number is greater than 0, -5 is greater than 0. Answer is what? What is the answer?
false.
False. So if the condition is false, else block will be executed. So what is written inside the else block? else block च्या आत काय लिहिलेलं आहे?
The number is negative.
Yes. So what will be output of the code? The number is negative, right? Because number 5, -5, which is -5, okay? -5 is greater than 0, which is false. That's why the number is negative. Let's say आता number 10 असला असता, तर output काय आला असता? What will be the output if the value is 10?
True.
Yes, condition will be true and what will be executed? कोणता block execute होणार आहे?
If
Yes, if block will be executed and what will be the output on the screen? What will be the output on the screen when if block is executed?
The number is positive.
Yes, the number is positive. If the value is greater than 0, the number is positive. If the number is less than 0, the number is negative. Clear? Any doubts? Okay? So explanation is in front of you as well. Here, since number is less than 0, the program will output the number is negative. Right? Explanation वरून समजतंय का? Everyone is getting or not? Ashwini,
हो
are you getting it or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear 100%? सरस्वती समजलं? ओके.
Yes, sir.
वैभव
हो सर
समजलं का नक्की?
समजलंय.
Okay. So next one, third one is if else ladder. So what is the definition of the if else ladder? When there are multiple conditions to check, then if else ladder is used. It allows multiple conditions to be checked one after another. Saraswati, what is the meaning of this statement? What is the meaning of this definition?
स्टेटमेंट कोड मध्ये येईल आपण मल्टिपल स्टेटमेंट.
Okay. Vaibhav, what is the definition? Definitionचा अर्थ सांग. Hello. Vaibhav, am I audible? Definition सांग ह्या लाईनचा. What is if else ladder? नाही समजलं? ओके, इझी वे मध्ये सांगतो. लेट्स से देर आर मोर देन वन कंडिशन्स. एक पेक्षा जास्त कंडिशन्स असतील, at that time we are going to use if else ladder. Okay, so last slide वरती चाललोय. How many conditions are there? Two conditions or one condition? Two or one? Check it again. Syntax मध्ये काय लिहिलंय? How many conditions are there? Only one condition is there, right? If statement मध्ये जाऊ. Let's say if statement. How many conditions are there? Only a single condition is checked. Right? Only a single condition is checked. If else मध्ये काय होतंय? In if else statement also there is a single condition. Whether it is true or false. They are checking a single condition whether it is true or false, right? So right now we have to give multiple conditions. Example, let's talk about college percentage. If percentage is greater than 90, we will get A plus grade. If percentage is greater than 18, okay, 80, we get A grade. If percentage is greater than 60, we get C grade. If percentage is greater than 35, we are passed, else fail. So how many conditions I have given right now? I have given 4 conditions. Greater than 90, greater than 80, greater than 60, and greater than 35. How many conditions are there? 4 conditions, right? So if you want to apply one or more conditions, what we use? We use if else ladder. Got it? सगळ्यांना समजलं का? सरस्वती, got it? Ashwini, got it? Okay. Ashwini is not right now getting the voice clear. माइक इशू हो रहा है. ठीक है. So everyone got it, right? If you want to apply one or more conditions, we use if else. Which if else? If else ladder statement in C programming. Okay? So syntax वाचलं का? What is the syntax? If condition 1 is true, code to be executed of if condition 1. Else, if condition 2 is true, code to be executed if condition 2 is true. दिसतंय का? सी, जर कंडिशन 1 ट्रू असली तर कोणता कोड एक्झिक्यूट होणार आहे? if statement will be executed. If condition 2 is true, then what will be executed? Second if statement will be executed. Got it? आता समजतंय का? Okay. And if these both conditions are false, जर हे दोन्ही कंडिशन्स फॉल्स असतील, सो व्हॉट विल बी एक्झिक्युटेड? एल्स स्टेटमेंट विल बी एक्झिक्युटेड. राईट? समजलं का सगळ्यांना? एनी डाउट्स? समजलं नाही ना? समजलं नाही. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन विथ द एक्झाम्पल. Saraswati, I am not audible. You are not audible to me. Syntax is clear? Okay, syntax is not understood. Okay, no issues. We will move towards the practical part right now. Example, you will get to know it easily. Okay? Okay, so let's move on with the example. So right now, this is the example in front of you. So right now, number variable consists of value 0. If number is greater than 0, the number is positive. Else if number is less than 0, the number is negative. Else the number is 0. आता समजतंय का?
हो सर.
Clear, right? सरस्वती समजतंय का? You got it?
Yes.
Okay, so right now, what is the variable name? Name of the variable is number, which consists of value 0, right? So what is the first condition? Number is greater than 0. So 0 is greater than 0. What is the answer? The condition will be false, right?
Yes, sir.
Then when the condition is false, it will move towards the second condition. So what is the second condition? 0 is less than 0. What is the second condition? Number is less than 0. So 0 is less than 0. What is the answer? 0 is less than 0. True or false? Ashwini, what is the answer? False, right? False is the answer. 0 is less than 0. Answer is false. So, first condition is false. Second condition is false. When both of these conditions are false, then which block will be executed? Else statement will be executed, right? कौन सा स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगा? एल्स स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगा, right? Okay, so we will learn about this topic in the further video. Okay, further lecture में ये आगे का टॉपिक कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. स्टार्टिंग का जितना बताया वो समझ में आया?
हो सर.
Yes, sir. पण
Last one not understood. I got it. मला समजतंय. In next lecture we will continue this topic if else ladder again. Okay.